Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert horizontal lines in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the shape drop down menu. We can see here many shapes. Now we go to the line section and select the line shape. You want to draw the line horizontally, press and hold the shift and draw the line horizontally. Then select the line shape and go to the shape format menu. Select the shape outline and choose your color. Now I am select the red color. You can increase the white. Select the shape outline and increase the white. Now we can see we insert a horizontal line shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.